Again, what do you have?
I have cooking clothes.
All of your clothes?
Yes, I have cooking clothes.
Yes, you have an apron, you have some dress, you have a dress, and under that some aprons, and then under that some pants and a top. And what's on your head?
A hat.
A hat.
To keep my head warm. So I don't get head on my head.
So you get what on your head?
So I don't get raindrops and head on my head.
Ah, I see.
Do you get raindrops? Do you cover your head with a hat?
When I go outside when it's raining, yes I do. Yep.
You wear it when it's raining and snowing and raining and
snowing and everything.
Soldering
Maddie, those dresses and outfits fit perfectly.
and swimming.
They are just the right size for you.
Yeah, how about you try my hat?
All right, can you say thank you to Grandma, to the camera?
Thank you.
Say, I love my dresses.
I love my dresses.
Don't blow her a kiss?
Mwah.
All right.
Mwah.